Hello, my YouTube family. So today I want to talk about what you should know just in case you get an overage check that is not in your name. I want to always talk about experiences that I experienced for the first time. So today I actually had the bank write me a copy of a check. As you guys can see, it's for $122,000. And this is the first time that, unfortunately, well, I don't want to say unfortunately, but this is the first time I actually received a check in the claimant's name that was a six-figure check. And so I had slight issue with the bank. So what I want you to know is anytime you're cashing an overage check in a large amount, there's a few things that you should be aware of and that you should know, because I have cashed several accounts, several checks in this particular account and other claimants' names, but I guess because this was such a large amount that they threw an issue. So one of the things that's very, very, very important, if you're gonna go about this on your own and you're doing it for the first time, the most important thing is you want to check with your bank, make sure that you can do third-party checks, which my bank never had a problem with that. However, they did have a problem cashing this check. But I mean, this was probably one of the largest in the claimant's name and not in my name, even though it was endorsed. So one of the things I do cover in my course is, what type of forms, but I'm gonna just give this away to you for free. Luckily, I had this general power of attorney form, and basically, when you want to have all your paperwork when you are going to the bank, just in case. I always carry my file with me. I've never had a problem before, but this particular time I had a problem with it. Now, I do want you to know this $122,000 that I did get as a check, I don't get that total amount. And normally what I do when I cash my checks is I automatically will do a cashier's check to the claimant if they want a paper check. I personally like wiring funds because it's more of a track record, and you can see the funds leaving and when they're going to actually receive it, and it's a lot more faster and efficient. But sometimes certain people don't have banks, believe it or not, that wire. I had a wire come back the other day and I was like, oh, I gotta mail you a check. But what I really want you to get from this video is, if you're going to be cashing checks that are six figures, and it's not in your name or your company's name, it's very, very important to have a POA and all the documentation, because you kind of could give the bankers a little bit of an education. One of the tellers was like, what do you do again? And I was trying to explain to them, but what I want you to get from this video is that it's very important to have all your document and paperwork in place just in case you're cashing a check that is not in your name. So that was my lesson today. I never had a problem before, but today was an issue that I had. So just wanted to share that with you. Hope you're having a great day.